Hi guys, CarPresQ15 here, and today I'm doing a video on the Aston Martin Vantage GT12. So I'm going to do a brief overview of the car now. So as we can see, of course the number plate is going to be pixelated, sorry, but we can see it's got the carbon Aston Martin badge. This got the carbon package equipped, which costs a good fair amount of money, but you get the side skirts all in carbon fibre, you get the front splitter here in carbon fibre, you get this whole little U thing in carbon fibre as well, and also all the badges on the car are made out of either matte or gloss carbon fibre. The Aston Martin GT12 of course has a 6 litre V12 engine which produces 592 horsepower. This car can go from 0 to 60 in 3.5 seconds, has a top speed of 185 miles per hour. The curb weight of the vehicle is 1,565 kilograms. And there are only 100 of these cars in the road, which is just amazing to be doing a video, an in-depth video of the car with it here, and it's just incredible. I said to myself, don't say these words, but it really is. Of course, we've got the GT12 stickering here, we've got the Brembo brake calipers. But now let's go into the interior of the car. So of course we've got carbon fibre everywhere because of the carbon fibre pack. We've got the liftable screen, we've got various sport modes and air conditioning, and of course the gear selector because this is an automatic but with paddles. Got the paddles here with orange accents on it to fit the car's pack. Got the two dials there, of course Aston Martin rev meters go reverse ways. Got GT12 embroidering on the badge with the Aston Martin logo. Got a parcel shelf in the back. But really this is impressive. Got the seat layouts there. And just carbon fibre everywhere. As I said, the curb weight of this car is 1,565 kilos. And this must dramatically take it down. But now, let's get some driving shots and some drone shots of the car moving. much for watching this video. If you liked it, please leave a like and subscribe for fortnightly content. Carburett's Kid 15,